Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. Ready to power up another skill for Python? We are covering today elif statements, an advancement of else and if statements. So, in the past lessons, we were covering a simple road, a simple instruction your mother had given you of buying flour and milk from a grocery store based on the condition that is it sunset or is it not sunset. But the real life doesn't work that simple. You have multiple roads, multiple ways, multiple directions, a complexity, intricacies. You have to figure out all that. And for that, only if and else is not sufficient. You have to have something greater than that. And as a savior comes the elif statement. Did you hear? Elif. Why? Because it is shortened of else if. Else if is shortened in Python as elif statement. Elif gives you the power to provide more conditions, complex conditions, so the program can guide the instructions with better complexity. And another interesting part, Quran Majid in a way also uses elif statements abundantly. Let me give you an example. Have you heard this ayat? يوصيكم الله في أولادكم للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين فإن كن نساء فوق اثنتين فلهن ثلثا ما ترك وإن كانت واحدة فلها النصف. And the ayat does not stop here. It has more conditions beyond that. I have designed a code based on this ayat's conditions. It's like if you have sons and daughters, the male share will be equal to 2 multiples of female share, elif. And that means else if daughter's count is less than 2 and there is no sons, then the daughter share will be 2/3 of inheritance and the rest will also be given to her as ulul arham. And else if the daughter's count is equal to 1 and no sons either, then the daughter's share will be half plus the remaining one will be given to her as ulul arham. And else if there is no such conditions, then the rest of the rules will be applied. So for simplicity's sake, I haven't covered all the conditions in the ayat, but it becomes more complex as you go on. So we can see that even Quran Majid, when guiding for complex situations, abundantly use if and else statements and elif statements, because these are a indispensable tool for giving instructions accurately and precisely. So what we have covered today is elif statements. They are advancement of else and if, which gives you the power to handle more complexity in your programming and let the computer work for you as you wish to work. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next lesson.